My name is Yvonne, and one of the things that I do here is I work with patients to find that optimal stress zone where you're not feeling overwhelmed and stressed, overcome by the things in your life, but rather get you into that zone where you're working optimally. If you're feeling like you are fatigued, you have lack of sleep, and you just can't manage from day to day, that sense of being overwhelmed, we can help you find your optimal zone. Not what's right for everyone else, but what's right for you. If you are unable to manage your emotions, you feel like everything is coming down at you at once. You're stressed as well, but you just have emotional outbursts as a result. We can work on that. We can prepare you for when those triggers happen. We can get you positive behaviors that get you better outcome, and we can work through the phases that you can enforce and you can apply in your relationships to get a better result. A lot of professionals struggle with having all the tools but not being able to apply them. I can help you with techniques of how to plan better, how to get an organized platform in your life so that it's a cut and paste until you feel a little less stressed and you can start working in that stress zone again. We can give you the practical tools, help you get through the day, get your life more organized, and give you the ability to work at your best. We'll put those puzzle pieces together with you.